In this video, I will show you how to create an action figure in ChatGPT. It should be a quick and easy process to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, as you might have seen, something that is trending at the moment is the idea behind creating action figures based upon photos. Now, you can see I've actually done this myself using ChatGPT. You can see the original image here, and by putting a picture of myself with this prompt, you can see I've managed to generate a action figure. Now, if you want to do this yourself, then what you're going to want to do is come across to chatgpt.com and make sure you do have an account with them. It's completely free to have an account, but you do need to log in order to add pictures. Now, once you've done that, what you want to do is start a new chat. And once you've done that, the first thing you want to do is click onto the plus button underneath to add photos and files. On this menu that comes up, just go ahead, click onto add photos and files, and then select the photo that you want to add. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to select the same photo, and what I'm then going to do is paste the prompt that I used previously. Now, what I will do is leave this prompt in the video description down below, so you can use that as a template. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the same one as before, but I'm just going to make a few alterations. So instead of putting like a camera, for example, I'm going to change this and put spotlight like this, and everything else I'm going to leave as is. And then what I'm going to do is just go ahead and send this through to ChatGPT. So as you can see, we sent across our photo with our prompt. As mentioned, I will leave this prompt in the video description down below. It will be generalized, so you just need to fill in the blanks. Generally, it can get quite busy. As you can see, it might take a few minutes if there's quite a few people creating images. So if that's the case for yourself, then you just want to give it time. Like myself, just give it a few minutes and it's going to go ahead and create your action figure. So I've given it a few minutes. As you can see, we've now generated our image, so our action figure. You can see in this one the difference is I've added this spotlight, but you can see it's actually turned out really cool. So what I will do, as mentioned, I will leave this prompt in the video description down below, so you can use that in ChatGPT to go ahead and create your own action figure. So that is how to create action figure in ChatGPT. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.